What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. I'm bearded. She's the bobber. Now, as you can see, I'm riding with the Indian Motorcycle World, and I had an idea that I've been wanting to do for a while that a lot of people have been doing, and for my motovlog to take my take on it. And that take, or what I want to take on, is group riding versus solo riding. And now I think they both have their place, and a lot of times I like going out and just having my own ride, doing my own thing, and I think that's a really nice stress relaxer and stress reliever. Help you relax, help you chill out, give you something fun to get out in the air and do. But the right group, and if you hadn't seen my other video, I got J Fast, Brandon Picasso, Meatball Rebel, High Desert Bobber, Okie Addiction back here, Kevin, let's see, Bombshell Biker, 2002 Star Custom. I gotta make sure everybody's getting listed in this stuff, going on one of my favorite roads. Now, this group has been amazing all day. Also, I want to say Chuckster and Psych Nurse, because they were with us at the beginning of today, and you know, they're great riding partners also. I mean, beautiful scenery. Look at all those bikes in front of me, all that exhaust I get to take in. But I mean, what do you guys prefer? Like, most of the time it's me and Bombshell or myself. I do some group rides, especially demo rides, because a lot of times that's the easiest way they do those. Oh man, this air has felt good. It has been over 100 degrees like all day, except for like while we were in Big Bear. But that's the other thing you get to that's the other thing, you need to share this experience with people you know, people who have the same interests as you, and go out there, fucking grind some peg, you know, like, I'm not usually one to take the bobber into some heavy turns, but I got both pegs today, and I got to sit there and talk with these guys about it, you know, pit stops, and had a bomb-ass lunch in Big Bear. And so group rides can be a total event by themselves, and I don't think I've gotten to do enough of them, and I definitely want to do more. But solo rides have their place too, and most of the time we're beating them out. So for you guys saying solo rides, believe me, I've been there with you. I shared a lot of laughs with these guys today, and a lot of moments, and the weekend's just starting. Granted, this is gonna be all jumbled for you guys, but the main story is solo or group riding, and I go group riding depending on the group. You got a group like mine? Huh? Do you? Some of you guys do, you know. And actually, there were some people I really want to group ride later on this year at Bring It Home, so hopefully that'll happen. Well, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think I got to nudge it, you know, 60-40 for group rides. My solo rides still have a huge place in my heart, and group rides depend on the group, because there's some groups that will fuck your day up, and then you gotta go solo ride just to fix it. Oh fuck. Alright guys, stay safe, stay classy.